Guys, let's talk about a boring topic. Something you hear every single day from everybody. It probably is so into your consciousness, it's not funny anymore. Action. So it is decision plus action equal results. That's a concept I heard Jack Canfield with a long time ago. And Bradley Withford, somebody I have a lot of respect for, said that infuse your life with action. Whatever you do, make your own love, make your own luck, make your own hope, make your own future. And also honor your creator, not by passively waiting for grace to come down from up and high, but by doing what you can right now, right here on earth to make grace happen now. You have to act on what you're doing. Do one thing, many things get set into motion. There is a power in action. When you move in a positive action, the universe conspires to help you, so you attract like things, circumstances, and events in your life to support that action. You go forward, not in a cruise. It might be winding, twiggly, and ups and down, but you will go somewhere. Such is the road, such is a process. We all don't like process. We fear process. We want change, but we don't want to go through the journey to get to change. It doesn't work that way. You have to go through the process. Why? I don't know. That's how it is. Process is golden. You will learn from it. It will help you to build the strength to sustain the high levels that you're trying to go. So we must act on what we're doing. So some years ago, this reggae artist, when he was not known, nobody cares. He was just doing music, was in the studio, getting up, doing, acting, taking action every day. He did the song, producers produced it, released it, never went anywhere, nobody heard it. It probably, being taped and be somewhere circulated. And just like 2 years back, he did this in somewhere in the region of 2009. That's maybe 11 years ago, right? 2009 to 9, I don't know, 9 years ago. So he did this song, forgot it, nothing happened. Regular song, nobody liked it, it was there. And then a year ago, which is 2 years ago, 2016, the producer, one of Rihanna's producers, heard the song somewhere in some dingy place far away, heard the song some chance, and liked it so much. Picked it up, and he got a paycheck. He got a paycheck, a huge paycheck for something that he did 9 years ago that nobody paid attention to. What happened? He took action. And I always tell my friends, you need to be on the field of play, my friend. Always just be on the field of play. When you're on the field of play, even if you don't score intentionally, the ball might hit on you and go into the goal. You might just be in the right place at the right time, but nothing will happen sitting on your couch, watching TV, complaining, browsing social media, doing all type of mindless activities with a dream in your heart. You must take action. You must believe in process. Don't come comparing your beginner's level to somebody who is at the top. Don't say, I don't have the followers, because the people who you're looking at never started with the followers. And if you are a student, you'd go all the way back in some of these channels and some of these mediums and see when these people start. They sucked. It's okay. Everybody sucked. Look, Usain Bolt, it is not about talent. If it was about talent, the minute he started running in high school, he would have done 9.5. But he didn't. He had to go through the process. He had to train. He had to develop his talent. He had to take action so that he could bring his time to world record time and be the greatest sprinter. That's how it's done. You have to take action on your goals. You have to set your goals, take action, believe in the process. Don't let people hoodwink you, discourage you, make pronouncements, criticisms, cynicisms, and all sort of foolish, just innuendos on your life. Just believe in yourself. I always say it's like a religion. You believe with a strong-headed approach and you go. So you know, you actually feel it in your spirit that you can do this and you will figure it out. Two things separating successful people and people who are not successful and people who don't do anything in life. One guy see the thing that he wants, he get a glimpse of the process and say, I don't know how to do that. It's not gonna work. Other guy see the things that he want, get a glimpse of the process and say, I don't know how to do that, but I'm going to figure out how to do that. I'm going to go out, I'm going to try, I'm going to learn, and I'm going to keep at it until I can figure out what to do. So I go back to Bradley Withford again. Infuse your life with action. Make your own luck, make your own love, make your own future. Honor your creator, not by passively waiting on grace to come down from up on high, but by doing what you can right here, right now on earth to make it happen for you. Have a beautiful day. Remember, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm doing these videos for YouTube 90 days in a row to kick my own ass to make sure I get it done. Have a good day.